Good morning mga kamates. Isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. So obviously today is my day off again. Me and my husband will gonna go to Wollongong Beach. Actually matagal na naming pinlano na pumunta doon, but ang daming nangyayari, so hindi kami natutuloy. But finally it will happen now. So samahan niyo kami. Tara, I will see you soon. Nakikita niyo po, narito kami ngayon sa Wollongong Beach, and the reason why we came here is because I just want to see the place, the community, because we are planning to retire for good in this place. Siguro marami pa namang how many years pa bago kami mag-decide na mag-retire na mag-asawa. Wollongong Beach. That's beautiful. Guys, tingnan nyo naman ang tanawin. Napakaganda at ang sariwang-sariwa ang hangin. Naku guys, kung nandito lang kayo, for sure you're gonna agree with me. Sa mga gaya ko na sanay mag-work sa city, so this place is really like a paradise for me. So napaka-relaxing talaga.
Yeah, and mangroves. That seems like in Bondi Beach. Should just move our car here, Dad. Right?
You guys going?
So we are in the like fountain. This is bigger than the other one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not big.
Oh, it's a big one. So habang narito na rin lang kami, nag-decide na kaming mamasyal dito sa Kiama Blowholes. So this is one of a infamous tourist spot, kaya nakikita niyo maraming mga turista na nag-aabang ng tubig. So this holes, yun actually yung makikita niyo na napapaligiran ng mga bato. But unfortunately, hindi po namin naranasan or ma-experience na makakita ng pagragasa ng tubig.